How to use AI art and ChatGPT to create an e-commerce website in 10 minutes. So go ahead and open ChatGPT on your browser. Once you're in this page, ask ChatGPT for a sitemap of your desired website focus. So for example, I'll be doing a scented candle website in this video. With that, I'll type in create a sitemap for a scented candle e-commerce website. This will save us a lot of time since ChatGPT will be all the one doing the content. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has already generated a sitemap for our website, and it is pretty much complete from the home, its content, the products itself. It even added accessories, scent categories, collections, and a lot more. Looking at it, it is actually fine already, but if you want specific parts of the site to be changed, good thing that ChatGPT is conversational, so you can revise specific parts of the details here. Now I will tell ChatGPT that I will only sell jar candles. As you can see, it edited its first answer and only the jar candle related products of the sitemap are here. Once you're contented with what ChatGPT gave you, copy it and paste it into a document where you can edit and complete your e-commerce website content. I will be using Google Docs for this since this one is free. Now paste it in and this will serve as the outline or the foundation of our website. We will use ChatGPT again to generate the words or the statements in the website. Let's start with the home. Ask ChatGPT to create a homepage copy. Wait for it to generate, and now we have an introduction. Oh, we also need a name. You can just input that if you have one that you personally like, but again, you can ask ChatGPT for this. Next is a short description of the scented candles. Below that is another paragraph that is advertising the product. So basically, it is an overview and a marketing statement which is usually found in the homepage of websites. It is also stated that you are free to customize this copy to align with your brand's unique voice and values. Just make sure to highlight what makes your scented jar candles special and invite visitors to explore your website further. Once you have your content, we have to make sure that it is not plagiarized. So never copy and paste what ChatGPT gave you completely. You can copy it and then use this website called GPT-2 Output Detector, and it shows how real or fake a statement is. What we want is, of course, a side on the real one. Paste it, and as long as it is on the real side, you are good to go. Another thing that you can do to make sure that you are not plagiarizing and you will not be sued for anything is to paraphrase all the statement. One site that I use for this is Killbot. Here you can input statements, wait for it to load, and you will then be presented with the same statement with different wordings and arrangement. It has a word limit though, so you will be doing this in batches, but still it is a useful tool to make your website safe. You can adjust everything based on your own wordings, and once you're done with this, again, go back to ChatGPT and we will be utilizing this to give us product ideas for our scented candle site. As you can see, it is giving us different scents of jar candles, and of course each products need description so that the consumers will know what they can get. This one has a short statement already, but we can ask ChatGPT to make more specific and more detailed descriptions for us. So make more specific description for each product. Enter that in, and here it immediately generated the descriptions that we wanted. Again, put this on the plagiarism checker and the paraphrasing tool before putting it into the website. Once you got all the content you want from the AI ChatGPT, we will now move on to the Midjourney for the AI art and inspiration website. Midjourney is used for creating images using prompts, So basically, this AI tool will make photos based on our words. Now to use this, we need Discord, so make sure to have that. And once you have this private bot, this is where you will type in the command for Midjourney to generate images for you. To do that, type in /imagine and then this will appear. So click on that, and inside this prompt box, you will use words to describe the picture that you want. You can also use a picture that it can use as a basis or an inspiration. So we will find a website online that we want to get inspiration from. So type in scented candles. This one is actually good, but I don't like the font and the color palette. So let's find another one. This one has good palette because of its muted tone. So screenshot this page, paste it on Discord, copy the link, and now we will command Midjourney to generate a website design for us. Again, /imagine, click on this box and then paste the URL. Now we will add specifications like web design, the color palette that we want, its art style, its elements, added elements, whatever word that can describe your site. Now just wait for this to finish loading, and once it's loaded, you will then see these 4 images. You can upscale this by tapping on this U1 to U4 buttons. This is their numbering. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the U stands for upscale. Once it's done loading, you can then see the image individually. Now, if you didn't like any of the results but you want to use the same prompt, just click on this refresh button and it will then generate new set of images. Another feature that you can use if you're not yet satisfied with the results of Midjourney is the version 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the V means version. Once you click on one, variations of the same prompt which you can edit will then show, and then choose from there. Once it's loaded, choose one that you want to be your inspiration. Now add another tab and we will now create our website in Editor X. This is a platform that allows you to create complex website designs for any device without using code. So once you're in here, click on the Start Creating button and then sign up. In this Editor X homepage, tap on the Create New Site on the upper right corner of your screen. Another tab will open, and in here, choose Editor X. Editor X are offering free templates, so you can freely choose from all of the available layouts in here. But since we asked Midjourney for a rough layout already, it's the best that we choose the blank one in here. Now wait for Editor X to load, and now we don't have anything in the canvas. On the upper left part of the screen, you can add your own logo. To change this, click on the L and click on the Change Vector Art. This pop-up window will show, and here you can either scroll down and choose vector arts provided by Wix, or you can click on the Upload Media to upload your own logo. On the right part of that logo, there is a single menu, which is the home. So this is the default one. To add in the pages that ChatGPT generated, click on the home, select Manage Menu. In this window, you will be able to add the pages. So go back to the file where you stored the website information. And here, the second page is the products. So let's add that to the site. To do that, select the drop down here. Click on Manage Site Menus and then add New Menu. Type in the name of your new page and then just add that to every page that you have. Moving on to the upper left part of your screen, click on the plus icon. And as you can see, we can add a lot of elements to design our canvas. Let's now add the image that we got, the AI art from Midjourney. Click on Image and tap on Change Image. Select the upload media and from here, choose the image. Just position it and adjust to fit your screen. And since the background of our inspiration website is like this, once that is done, you can then add the details and the text. You can customize your website and make it functionable. So that is how to use AI art and ChatGPT to create an e-commerce website in 10 minutes. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.